Welcome back to Tugger TV. This is a brand new movie. You betrayed my trust. Watch it to the end. You understand? Make sure you enjoy it. Any part on the like, just comment down in the comment section. Yeah man, we're there for the right. Big up yourself. What are you doing? Miss me?
Well, you never gone for long, so.
Yeah, I run from my mind still, that's why. They are up on the correct there, I can't focus, so. Just say I can't give a check.
You see me every day, so you mean I can't focus?
I know, but I just feel like you're mad me. You know, you just always up on my mind, I'll let me try if you not consider it, but you just up on my mind, I'll let me try fight it. Because I'm there work a while ago and I go on water, so I weed them. You understand? And I just wonder if you're okay. My mind just dip on you, as I say.
You sure you're not coming and watch me?
Well, I know that I can't do it, you know, but it's good to watch where you have. You understand? So I know watch me, I watch us, but no, you're always on my mind.
Don't you? I came in the yard clean up and I look for something to eat. After that,
just left them the boy up there for go and water some of my weed, you know.
see you
But
hungry?
yeah, I kind of feel a bit hungry. It's coming in for the morning.
Okay, leave out this man and say no one, man. So someone say, alright
You
then.
know, through me always at the pan of work, you know, me always at the pan of work, so you just buy one chips on the road, you know, buy one ginger beer for Belgium could gas or something. You understand? So, oh yeah, did have something on the find?
Yeah, me I look about something now.
Well, I ain't that messy when I come in, you know, to be honest, you know, I just come and walk around and I don't frighten you, but hungry the pan to say it could work.
Alright, then there go.
One day I'm not go back on the work and just build with you.
No!
You know what something they don't do everyone I work them already.
Yo!
Yep. So like I'm breaking that reach. I pray.
Yo, me don't know what I with them in the father.
You don't know what I with them?
Yeah, and the two girl them two scribble the way if you come pick you with them, father. I know me not see them girl there.
Yo, that me not like you. Me always tell the girl them say be on time. You see me? Cause you know if you with time at 8 o'clock if you reach up, I'm tell them say yo, reach up by 11:30, 12 o'clock. I know they don't reach.
Oh, me see father man, that pay water me if you spray me and set me alone.
I there so me I come give a check for mom.
Bad man, I watch mom's too much my out. Come in my you must we have
Talk about watch mom.
2 acre land for cut down in the brother plant up with them must find
out for me.
purpose for cushion them sitting in the brother and not joke business them and my mom's can't.
So when you at work, you not watch to make your money. You not watch your work to make your money.
Mom's have to watch me, I idiot. Come on, go up on the acre land. Can I watch woman and we have so much weed and such. Tell man that I will look back to.
Baby,
Yeah?
come here.
Come here, man.
Nah, my fault. I go back on the work. I'm say girl to pick you weed them. My fault.
Idiot girl ain't come.
I told we have something to deal with today. It's not that make you come pick it for me, you see me?
I didn't even know.
But bad dog, remember your bag still.
Me I finish, but me don't cook my food there.
Alright, baby, love you here.
I love you, bye.
Alright.
Yeah.
Are you making man can't get me do no good work up a bush enough? Cause every minute you there on your mind, you know?
Yeah. Then I put something that.
Yeah.
Oh,
Then I bring me you put in the head and get in mind. Far away. Brother, me have your water, a whole of them are sitting on my yacht. And next piece of weed them over there so I girl and feel pick daddy. They not show up.
Yo.
You don't even know, father.
So far, everything I grow good still, you know. You see me? And I know we are going to make a good money and fight. You see me?
I'll make sure it's not insect on the pan them, I see it. Because then caterpillar here. And then we
Yo, smell on a boy.
Smell them from morning, brother. You just a smell them because you're late. You smell the whole of them already.
So you say, like how we have to pick them in a car if a girl not coming on, how we have to pick them?
Let them want to go pick, bro. One of them have to pick over this already.
But they can't go in, they know so they not get no pay, you know.
Mad.
Because if them not picky, you know, they can't get no money, you know.
Brother, you think we joke with the drugs? Hmm? You know much ammunition we have to watch out them drugs and something, brother?
I don't want to name Purple. Oh, wait, what do I want to name? I should remember when.
Bombard.
Purple. Tangic.
I want to insect this, sir. See, caterpillar, them want me to talk about you. You see what me to talk about, brother? Let's take time and take him off, so dog. Watch your hand. I mean, to kill him, because when we go back up there, you know. Me not like pillar, much less caterpillar. So I'm put the things them here.
One more depending again.
You have to look for them good, you know. Jesus, peace.
But
For you see one alone or two pairs, see it? Teach you something about them. See them mouth here. You see mouth? We then like high grade. So when they eat this, then get high. Hold them and look on him. Afraid of sitting there in a bush.
no, you the time when you run through the goat you.
Yeah, you're afraid of caterpillar. What thing you want to do? A pick?
Go pick you with them. Come
Hold on, man. I'll make sure I say caterpillar on the pan. Boss sting them, you know. Get out of hand.
Bad boy, no can't just check in tomorrow because we'll pick you with them here.
Yeah, man. And yo, line up water back good, that's it.
Alright, my father. We are going to the bush to pick you with them. Come in, bad boy.
Look, come on, Jonah. Alright.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Mr. Palmer, sir. Yeah, Mr. Oil here. I'm on the spot. Yeah, I'm so sorry that, I get all up in traffic. I'm so sorry about that. What I was saying now, I'm on the spot, but I don't see the family that, sir. Yeah, hello? Hey, Matty. Listen, Matty, I'm so sorry right now. I'm taking care of some business, but I can send someone to pick it up. That's okay with you? Yeah, I'm gonna send someone to go and pick it up. I'm on the work right now. Okay, sure. Where? By the house? Okay, alright, no problem. Okay, alright, bye. Yes, sir, Mr. Palmer, I'm so sorry about that. Yeah, just a friend, just want to say hi. So I'm on the spot right now. I guess the people was supposed to want to sell the house. I guess they leave. Yes, sir. No, I'm 3 hours late. As I said, I'm so sorry about that. Yeah, I'm 3 hours late, but you can send me a number in the meanwhile. Oh, sir. Alright, hold on. I'll call you back. I see someone from the community. Okay. Hello, excuse me. Sorry about that. Yeah, excuse me. Mr. Brown, I just want to check. Are you from the area?
Yes, right down there somewhere.
Oh, okay. So I'm just saying, this is the right place, Mr. Brown. I think he passed away.
Yeah, Mr. Brown was dead. Yes, I did live.
Oh, you know him?
Yeah, I know him. He was a nice person. Everybody in the community love him.
Okay.
He was a nice person.
I'm so sorry about
Sad
that.
same pass away. See?
Oh, that's damn, that's the banner.
Yes, that's the one.
Okay. So I guess you animals close?
Well, not really, but
But he's a
from
nice
me I
guy.
grew up, I hear a lot of good things about him until I meet him.
Well, why I'm here right now, I think the family trying to sell the house.
Oh, I think I hear about that once, but
So I'm right here now. I'm trying to get to the people.
oh, you try to get to them.
Yeah.
Well, you don't have them number now?
Yeah, I'm at I think Mr. Palmer.
Yes, Mr. Palmer.
Mr. Palmer, right, Mr. Palmer. But my boss is gonna text me a number. I could call the people.
Well,
Tell you what, let's go with the sun, man.
Alright.
Spoil your beauty.
I passed here earlier and I saw a couple couple people out here. I think they were waiting on someone, but I'm not sure.
To be honest, I'm the one they're waiting on.
Oh, you?
But I was so late because of traffic.
Well, I guess
Listen,
they're
I'm
gone.
so sorry to stop you and take up so much of your time. But nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah, okay. And what's your name?
Oh, my name is Brittany.
Oh, Brittany.
And what's yours?
Oh, that's a wonderful name. But you can call me Hamar. The ladies call me Hamar.
Alright, no
I would
problem.
like to meet you sometime again.
Okay, no.
Have a nice day, right?
Alright, same to you.
Okay.
Good luck. I'm waiting on them. Hope they be back soon.
Alright, big up yourself here.
Alright, bye.
What's your name again?
Brittany.
Just check it.
Alright.
Okay. Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm at the right spot. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna call him right now. Okay. Yeah, good day, sir. Mr. Bennett, that's correct. Yeah, I'm the person you're supposed to meet. Oh, I'm so sorry. I just running some traffic. Yeah, but I'm at the spot. And it's a very nice house. I can see a lot of space at the back. But question, how much you looking for this offer? Alright, I tell you what. Just give me all the necessary information. You can just send it on this number on WhatsApp. It doesn't matter. And I will get back to you. And one more thing, sir. As I say, I'm so sorry that I messed up. Yeah. Alright, have a nice day. And one more thing, I'm so sorry about your father. I was just talking to a female from the community, and he said your father was a very, very nice person. So I'm so sorry about your loss. Have a blessed day, you and your family. Okay, sir. I will get back to you. Okay.
Mister, I didn't know you carry me on a face me there and share
I make different now, man.
Why am I tell you say I'm hungry daily.
Hungry too?
It was a long day because I'm gonna tell you say the girl ain't never forward so I'm generally never fear picky weed them or something.
You look hungry. What are you belly? If me ever did beg me some food and smell it bad, then I say I give her some.
Which one?
You know what I say the picnic, the tree picnic there.
Find tree picnic and make food there.
Me just share food na this a bit two picnic man in a this a few man one a day.
Listen me be make this be first and then last. Yeah, give them people their food. Because whole heap of time me see you go.
Can you
And all I tell them say.
Okay,
Hold on
now.
about that. Because you're going like you want to come eat food before me.
Me like that play there.
A whole heap of time if you go there, I beg them things and me see. All of the day I go say you want 2 slices of bread.
Babe, listen.
And then say, then I have it and then have it. And you give them the people food. You know, this is food that can stay and we eat it later. I'm not ramp with my food and
Listen, baby, I get food. Oh, you're so greedy.
some more food I left in our part so we can eat later.
Me not like your style, trust me. Me not like your style. If you like me, sharing is caring.
People not share with you.
Me not gonna argue with you and I'm gonna share the food.
No.
Yeah, me people, they always give it to me.
Next time.
And every time I'm now baby, I
No,
go
as
get
me
food.
say, this be the first and the last. You understand?
Alright, you know.
Ramp with my
But I don't like how they want to make
but they give them
food,
money.
food.
I don't give them no food.
Give them money?
Yeah, give them money for buy it. You know, I don't like people ramp up with my food.
Bro, that plate match my shirt. That plate them on.
Yeah man, we want all off. I'm going to tell the guy fun breeze, because right now.
Do what I do?
Oh, this place nice though.
Yo, watch out now. I feel like say you're going to go there, you know, and then you can't go in, bro. And then you can't go in.
You can't sleep down one night.
No, so you're mad, man. My friend, I want to play football, man. We have to run around the whole line in your house. We can't have one place. It's so boring. No, man. So when you play football, you know, you don't have to run back, you don't have to go to the defense, you don't have to go forward more. So that me I try to tell you, in the midfield. So you have to come back to the defense. You see me?
Defense.
Yeah, and with the goal, I have to score a goal, so I can't have you here. I have to play football all over.
How about this chat say?
I have a GREs, man.
So,
You feel me not hear what you say, me hear what you say, because no ball man play, no ball man play. Still like that. I'm gonna push back in here.
Really bad.
I say you all this and the room have door pan you and something that's why I tell you say if you football field run that's what you say the defense run that's us.
Yeah. Defensive.
If you football field, pattern.
I hold football field. American.
So you ball that?
Yeah, man.
But
When the time right, man, you always forward over here, you see me? Because you know, sometimes when I do it on the field, like sometimes we come, yes, on the field, like sometimes change up it.
and then football that.
Yes.
But when you do kick your hit it. You kick your hit it.
Kick him, man. I say we not eat and we not cheat. You know?
Not all correction.
Yo, bro, I'm going.
What you deal, my brother?
Well, I'm there, you think of.
Yeah, bro, you know, say day my day I do just come off fire. Me and my G day I do I go and wait for the food. Boy, you know, say it good, but sometimes you know. Yeah, sometimes I kinda stressing, but we are going holy said you see me?
Make sure not.
Yeah, bro, man, as me say, doesn't too long come off firework, you know, wife here cook some food.
Just probably off firework and that I tell you. Long time you know see uncle, is it? So,
What you mean, man?
I wonder if you could have passed through for your holiday. I mean,
You mean, man?
too rare, you know.
What go on?
And the one place, me want to carrots just so. If I did you alone, they don't know my girls, you know.
Boy, you know, I love my niece still, you know, but maybe I have to pause the football for 1 3 days or so, you see me saying? You can't afford to spend the holiday, man.
You sure? After
Yeah, man.
woman, you know, come no one no problem, you know.
No, listen up. Remember me govern my thing, you know. Remember say me govern my thing, you see me? So she can't pull through, man. I don't say she get enough trouble and she wicked and lie, but you know I love her anyway.
She lie, man. She a pure lie. She a tell me what day. Pure lie. So if you come down there and I tell her pure lie, you just call me and make me come. Because she get trouble enough to you know.
Alright,
So
my
we
brother.
left her the day and she just gone.
And Intel PLI.
Pure lie, you know.
But my favorite niece that still, you see me?
But you and my daughter still, you know.
Alright, my bro. So big up yourself here.
If anything tonight or tomorrow, if me get the time.
Tomorrow that
I'm
better.
gonna pick her up from her mother.
Yeah, tomorrow that better. If anything I can do, me and Nigel bus park, me pick her up from this.
Alright then.
Alright, my bro.
That a bit space, because you know say you know to even go in the White House.
Alright, you up your family here?
No, go ahead, alright. Big
Yeah,
up
bro.
yourself. Yeah, mom, definitely.
Alright.
Tomorrow may I sleep over here, no, bro? Tomorrow day, no, bro?
What do you mean tomorrow?
No, you say me can't sleep today. Me can't sleep tomorrow, please, bro.
What do you mean sleep over here? You think my niece a big man? My niece are just 15, you know? What? You mean what? 15. This is a man. I don't know why you want me put myself in a problem now. If my mother brother him come down you know, come box me down and something and box all you down too.
Me?
What do you mean then you are trouble your niece?
Me
Trouble my niece?
me trouble your niece. Me even know your niece.
Yeah boy, you want to come sleep and me tell us you can't
Sleep
sleep.
here. Me don't say nothing about no niece. What me say about niece?
B, that's sorry for share food give me king go and come
You don't see me,
right now.
But with that bad, bro. Just
Brother say feel you up there baby.
bush me and daddy I plant up weed and water weed and something.
You move like that.
You can't me stay in that village a little bit.
I wish I don't mind baby. You know I'm sorry. Alright now.
breakfast.
What are you you know, say, me remember did say something to you last night though. I just look back on the message. And I say, brother text me and say I'm going to left out. And he called me yesterday.
Left out, go.
So he called me yesterday. When I in the kitchen, I look about the food, share the food from my brother. He called me and I tell me, say, I'm not going to carry my niece come down here. Come spend some time. But he asked me if that good, because my niece say, you want to see me. You see me, so I tell him, say, yeah man, you see me, I know it's good with me. Even though at my place still allow me not push up in your face, but you know, I still have respect for you in a relationship, so I still have access to if that good with you, because I know I have space, so I have to access, even though I bed out there still, but you know, sometimes I know you like, Lord, when we're on the work, so just access if that good with you.
Yeah, that's alright with me.
Alright, I can make you bounce on 1 or 2 weeks, but now go over a month. Now go over 1 month or 3 weeks, isn't it?
Alright.
So, what I go do now, I just brush my teeth and sit and wash my face. Isn't it?
Okay.
I'll go up on the road and go and wait till meet me, isn't it?
Alright.
Alright. Hold on.
I'm gonna get up and clean up.
Yo, bro.
Yo, man, I tell you, say, me just reached on south side, you know.
South side.
Yeah, me I look at taxi for coming.
And you know, say, bro, me didn't see message say text me for 6. I say the left
So,
out.
go, man, I know you don't wake up then time.
You know, so my time in always 8 o'clock to get up.
Well, jump up now, though.
Yeah, man. Me jump up already, man.
Alright, bro. When we reach I park side, I'm sure.
Yeah, man. Cause I'm not even like a bed, man. Cause half a 3 I go to my bed last night. You see me, I'm ready all at first. So I just brush my teeth and wash my face. You see me?
Alright, about that.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
You mean you're not gonna be in?
Me remember say last night half a 3 I go to my bed and before I go to bed, now what my bed and so my bed again.
Okay.
Yeah, woman. You see me? If I go to my bed half a 3 and me sleep 4, 5, 6, 7 and I get up 8. Eh? Why am I running into bed again?
I never saw nothing, I just...
Oh, can you make it sound like something wrong? You see my baby?
No.
Let me just smell.
No, I'm not seeing
What's the face of a like just just call me if anything here.
Alright.
I think I have carry back a breakfast. Say, what you want for breakfast?
I don't.
But I'd feel steak.
No, I don't want that.
What you want?
But they know what me like, so just scare someone me like.
Alright, I'm brush my teeth and wash my face and all the foot. I'm gonna take up my money and look for it. Alright, baby, love you.
Yeah, I love you.
Yes, boy, fresh. Babe, you send your supermarket already,
So the part of this is
so your toothpaste done.
What?
Your toothpaste done already and other day I send your supermarket. You're not giving me but my toothpaste.
One time.
B, you know long mean they squeeze out the toothpaste, so me have to fight the toothpaste.
Remember, say every day I brush teeth every night. Sometime in the day, in the evening, time I feel like my teeth want brush me, I go brush my teeth.
So harm to me.
You know, they here you brush teeth one time and come back home and I brush teeth at night time. Just 2 times a day I brush teeth. I brush teeth all 3-4 times a
B,
day.
where you tell me say I want big old of toothpaste, where you tell me say that look like I know just me and you alone I use it. That look like somebody else I use it.
Nobody else
They're
man.
too kind, you know, and people not kind to you, you know.
Maybe people
Anyways,
not.
I'm going to go on the road.
They can't, babe, they can't.
Brother must
cover
reach me.
people.
You got too much attitude, man. So you're going and you're full of attitude too much, man. Later.
Like me I say, focus already now. Now come down here, your own place now. You run up. I see on the phone and don't tell me say, 8 o'clock at night time to take it from you. You go to your bed. Yeah?
Yeah.
You know what I feel they come there for you to eat, man. Tell them say lie already. Say no, who you be. So look for me like a lie, me I tell you. You have everything like back?
Yeah.
I'm going to my back when I come up. Some man that takes so long, man. The time to me I brought for back. So you will just have Carl.
Good man, big man,
Get big and
yeah, man, when you get big, man, you want to grow up, you think you know start forever.
young people. You heavy?
Good man. So you say, you go differently though?
Yeah, man, I'm just there. I go and eat the back in the car.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Sure. Serious. The father. You want to the father. Can't win. You don't get no contact with him, man.
What's in a bro? As I hear that talk about it, you see me, remember say, when I grew up, you know, my father and man normally take care of me, you know. You see me? But through a jealousy, yes, through a jealousy, moment of no one father take care of me. He said,
I even one day and I seen the done big man. So your father used to send barrel and stuff.
yeah, because you know want me get my friend just because of jealousy because my father has money. So I said, no, you're not my friend.
Just kind of pretty more away, but your mother.
Which made of a father in my life like a your father, you see me?
You will not suffer, you would.
I don't even want to talk about that. Let's look up yourself and go and talk on it. Yeah. So I know when I reach there.
I look like that.
Alright.
Remember the day myself.
Yeah man, you know we have. Alright.
Watch here.
Yep.
Good evening. Hi, good evening. How are you guys doing?
Yeah babe, so it's on my niece, Rachel. And Rachel, this is my wife, even though I'm married to Brittany.
Yeah. So nice to meet you. Hope you
Alright,
enjoy.
so basically, this a bed here, you know, say I hear a little spot for you there for your time being. And that is the bathroom right over there. And that's the one you have Brittany room in here. And that's done. You have the fridge here, so as you can see, kitchen. You understand? So anything you know feel comfortable with, you can talk to me. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah man, so yeah, what I wanna know. Your father tell me say you love tell lie and you say you're bad. You understand? But remember, when I did it with you for your time being.
Give me the I'm going in your room.
Yeah man, no problem man. So come to here, I receive my niece. Father tell me say you're wicked and you lie.
I
You
lie.
understand? But listen me say me talk man. Me not up there and me not see what I go on. You understand? But when you're there around me, you have to have manners. You understand? Now go back answer me, now go back answer Brittany. You understand? I deal with you respectfully. and I deal with you respectfully. You get what I say?
Yeah.
Alright, so I think my girlfriend go cook later, but if she not cook, carry up on the road and make you get some. And you don't left yard without telling anybody. You understand? If you left yard, you call me and tell me. You understand? Or you make Brittany call me and tell me. You know, just left yard, so come say you come from down here. Now whole heap of young man down here love the little girl. I mean, I make your father feel say you come down here and me I go make you broke out. You understand that how he say it already? You understand? So the whole reason why you come down here because you say you want to change. You understand? And you know say you respect me. Like you don't listen to him, you will listen to me. So hopefully when you go up there, you deal with him like your father.
Yeah.
Alright, so now going to some food, come just go and get comfortable with the place here.
Yeah.
Alright. Princess. So, how many niece? You rate her vibe?
Yeah. She alright, she nice.
Well, one
And she
thing though.
beautiful when I don't know like she's cute.
One thing though be looks are deceiving. Cause for me brother tell me say she's a wicked girl. She wicked and she lie. But sometimes they say you can't use
You can't judge a book by its
no,
cover.
not really that. Like sometimes when you hear one side of the story, you have to learn to see the other side. So if you're there and then I saw, then you say, boy,
What if
my
it's a
brother
fair
did right.
side? So.
Eh?
If it's a fair
Yeah,
side.
because if you tell people like them, I don't know, say I true, I see you doing it, my brother, that's alright, but I say I true, my brother, I thought them. But she know for ramp with me, you know. At the same father see them come down, because I know so I don't laugh at her and she respect me more. You see me? But at the time, I want to say, if I feel my daughter, because I respect me like I'm your father. But I don't even know
You
how
mean by
about
if I
that.
your daughter?
No, because he deal with me like I'm the dad. You get me, I say? So, I not say nothing disrespectful in the baby. I just want to understand, you know. I just how he deal with me like I'm the dad.
Last time I we cheating on you.
You mean me cheat? Be me what cheat on it?
How from I don't know if you cheat on me? Oh, me, I don't know.
That's just a man. Every time I dip on my weed farm, are you that? Me a video call for my time, me I put on camera, so I show you me a work
But
or
when I
something.
hang up
And when
my
me left
phone,
from a
yeah.
weed farm, a yard me come. So
Suppose-
when me get time for cheat?
See, like when I left yard early. See, like when I left weed farm early and I didn't go look for me. When I left weed farm early, you go look for somebody.
Yeah, nobody heard that, because you see this and now without bringing our argument.
No, when I argue, but
Alright.
that's say something.
Know that. I think me I go hold a wash off for now. So, what do you want for dinner?
You tell me I bring back something, but you never bring back no.
No, because when I look on you now, me I say, the time did gone, because I stop in the town. Because I never have enough cash for me, so I have to draw money. You understand? Because I end up squeeze my brother and give him a little money, because I know a long time I don't see him.
Yeah.
So, I have to draw a little money, so I just say I go buy something to cook for we eat. So, what you want for dinner?
I don't know anything.
Yeah, I wash off. So go and do it. If anything, we walk go night to buy ice cream and get something to eat. But go and do it,
That
I
sound
mean,
bad.
here,
But I eat an ice cream, sure.
no be. Go and do it.
Woo!
Maybe there be later me carry out.
Later?
Yeah.
What?
More
You
out.
just say when I'm done bed.
Yeah, so later. Come here, go be there, you know me have to relax and take a fan breeze.
Alright then, do it.
Alright, see your facial expression a change. I'll be there and carry them.
Alright then, do that. So me I get myself together.
But you know what I go carry my niece though.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, alright.
Hi. Bad brother here.
I think so. Oh yeah, talk. My uncle?
Hey, uncle.
Yeah.
Hey, yeah, man.
He want a room.
Man, I heard me at that, man. Can I show them from there?
Uncle!
Yes, Nancy.
Somebody out here too.
Now, Paul.
I'm saying real bro God, man. Bad bro! What?
Yeah, really.
Yeah, me there.
Yeah, man, I hold me the whole of fresh man, but me have already back first, you know?
What? You want a fresh?
Yeah, me hold of fresh.
Oh. I'm alright back cause them said I mean.
Yeah, man, me hold of fresh, man. So yeah, they differently though.
You get new tattoo, man.
Yeah, man, I mean, man. Up it down, man, you know, I go, man.
Do you know? So you know what say? Money drop.
Money drop?
You mean?
That's just a man.
You know see me? Think when me have another tag and something, brother. You blind?
When you know if the boss did that show me though, I didn't realize that, you know. I feel bad for you call me and say, I'm not up on the work today, so I'm not answer. Because I say, I make you do bad today.
You watch your woman too much, bro.
I know woman and my niece, I go pick up father.
When you pick her up?
Today I pick her up, man. Might be around 1.5 hour, I don't know if I so much.
So introduce a niece to your bro God now? We not bro God?
Yeah, man, I'm a G, man, I'm to you, man.
Introduce a niece so she knows me when I come here, she knows I'm not a stranger.
That's my virgin, understand, slash, my co-worker. You know, his name is Toplink and Toplink is my niece, Rachel.
Rachel.
Yeah.
Toplink, okay?
Yeah.
So, you know, so when you see him come here, you know, say if you always call me here,
Yeah.
call me forward too.
Bro, I mean,
I know say you, I know nobody else.
you make it sound like me some infant killer or something, bro. What you
No,
talking
man,
about?
I never said that, man. I just make sure you know, because when she come here, I make sure you know the whole I protocol them. You understand? So I just make sure you know. I make sure follow up on them, so I just make sure you know. So when you come here, and me come to, so she call me.
Bro, you show him Portugal, you're not telling about friend Portugal business, brother.
Anyway,
You know that,
still.
man.
So boss, send for your account or pick up a friend in person.
No, something like your account business, no, that the account to go take money out of my thing. You see it?
That show still. You see, I don't really like that neither.
Bro, me get mine in person. I tell us I'm not like account business, brother. Cause me go down an account to pull my money. Bank take out money out of my money, brother, and me and bank no work. You watch your woman too much, daddy.
No, sister man.
Who know if it's so man? You should have opened a bush and pick up the caterpillar them, brother. You don't have to pick up bump and woman and sitting, daddy.
It's the summertime. That's why me a boy, I don't really love the love business.
At that yeah, do daddy, I do love business.
You know, if you more while I'm go fall in love, you make me not even want to work. I just reminisce about when me and my mind like that. You know what I mean? Right now, all ice cream shop here going to make carry my niece and my woman.
But I can't tell me about your ice cream, I'll give it, brother. And so what me do? Me trim my love.
Do I get ice cream?
Niece, that's what I say.
Yeah, man.
Your father tell me about you know. So you see big people attack, you know, jump in height so. You understand? So you wait until me done talk, you ask me that.
So we can't deal with her so like a
No,
prisoner.
because, listen man, we have to put discipline to this because I make when me carry them go a road, them pass in place. You understand? And even though I'm my brother, daughter, me box her in her face.
To a son, come
You get me?
To a son to me, come like a woman alone you want to eat ice cream.
No man, she go get ice cream, but me I say, she see me attack, she no jump in it.
Say eat ice cream too?
No man, I see me and them me I carry go have ice cream. Me not eat them with something. If I look a boy, when I eat ice cream then a long time, it bump up my skin so me not eat it again. Or else when the policeman come out to them talk.
So you used to eat it with a liquor?
When I look a boy.
You better sister man. Anyways.
Yeah, we're going. Now I think I'll link boss you know, cause I'll collect your money.
Collect which money?
I'll collect your money from. Yeah, baby.
Hi. I'm there ask I'm ready for the.
Yeah man, I'm ready I know man.
Bossy gonna make a film ground, you know. So for your money delay, brother, you have to wait till next 2 weeks for Bossy come back down and send that car. Bossy couldn't get for Terry, brother, for give
Yeah,
you
good
money.
man, you know I'm to you man.
Babe.
Money and no problem, you know.
Yeah, babe.
Yeah man, my beard man.
So I want the same clothes.
You want to say no be that, bro?
I know what that me say.
Oh, so you be that man the same clothes?
I will fight.
Sorry.
Okay.
Just to make your same clothes touch my tag from clothes, you see?
Alright, so you're sure about now, so look more here.
Holy, so we can stay and go on.
No man, the place all lock up man.
Oh,
Yeah man.
hold on, I'll go.
Yeah, all the way go.
Yeah.
Oh,
So I'm ready now. Hey, kid, get your key for...
Say key there.
Yeah, man. Niece, come here. Let me teach you something. This when I get up, it's for the
Your name is?
Oh.
You hear me?
Yeah.
Your father need to teach you and you discipline you up there. And nobody feel like me a rush you. You hear me, niece? Me let a teach you right. You understand? So next time you know. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Can I ice cream on these? Can I ice cream on these?
I want a blue one near me. Blueberry. I'm gonna need one of them. I should do
Nice finger scoop. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, sure. Hold on, let me see it. Have grape nut?
Yeah.
Yeah, give me one grape nut for myself. Where say one is it?
what is it? Dragon stout? No. I think banana split.
Banana split with chocolate chip.
Can I get it, please?
Alright, so give me one of that, please, and a grape nut on the other flavor. Kind of love them cake here.
You can get one?
Myself, next time I'm going to walk over this and come try it. Alright, so
Alright? The part they look nice. Very nice. Of course, blueberry is the best. Like, if I'm
so go and get yourself comfortable and wait for the change, yeah?
Alright, babe.
Yeah, man.
I'll get one more. Yeah, buddy. My uncle come go ask him. Oh, the ice cream sweet.
Enjoy ice cream.
Yeah.
Good news.
Take one water.
You know, reach one and drink water. Money I have now, I have to buy grocery for you today, you know. There's some money I have to get more grocery.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Actually, ice cream is sweet, but here's the same wipe up there. Wipe up this and wipe up on the cup.
So you are going to the up at town then? How school and everything? They get some last school though?
No?
That's where?
Yeah.
The teacher didn't talk good boy.
Quiet in a class.
Daddy never come up here. So that's the other alone in trouble.
Me no get trouble at daddy. Daddy at me.
When you see for line, you will tell you. You just keep yourself quiet. Don't want to go Burger King?
Yeah.
You know I'm about to go on Burger King. But I just go home and just put more some brown stew chicken. You don't have the time for it. I like to get four.
No more. You know something not a problem, right? to the nail salon because I need to get my nails fixed. But it's great to see you again.
Well, to tell you, it was a coincidence to run into you, but I'm just leaving from the lawyer office. Miss Miller. Yeah, me and Miss Miller doing business maybe over 15 years now. She's my lawyer. The type of business we do, I need a lawyer.
So what kind of business?
Well, buy and sell back out, that's how I make my profit.
Yeah, but can also never see the last time.
Tell you what, to be honest, the first time that I saw you, I get a call from my boss, Mr. Palmer. Very, very urgent call to go and start out some business. So basically, I just put on some clothes. But now this is official. This is official when I'm going to do business. This is how I dress. One more thing.
You look totally different.
The lights is gone, you know, you have a lot of money. You have a lot of money, so you know, bad mind corruption always find them way, squeeze themselves way in. You see me?
I understand.
So as I said before, you're going to set an appointment to your nails.
Yeah, my nails. Not really here, nails mainly. But if the person that is going to me here, well, I guess.
I'll tell you what too. The first time that I saw you, business that I was sorting out up on the hill. I think phase 2, yeah, you're the one make that business pull through a lot fast. Yeah. Maybe it's luck, maybe it's your luck bring that business fast as possible. But you know, I really kind of feel it for Mr. Brown that passed away, you know. I really feel sad about the situation. But I guess what? Business is business. Well, I tell you what, I'm not gonna spoil the moment, I'm not gonna spoil the day, but really and truly, I would really like the numbers. To tell you what, one more tune, I think about you maybe one or a few times from that first time that I saw you up on the hill. Understand?
Well, I want to be honest with you. I have a boyfriend.
Well, to be honest, I really don't think that a nice lady like you don't have a husband or a boyfriend.
Really? Why?
Well, look at you.
What's wrong?
Beautiful, nice.
That's the reason why I have a boyfriend, because I'm beautiful and I'm nice.
And you know the next reason? The next reason because it's beautiful and nice. Maybe someone that's looking at your car would like to drive it from out the mall.
Well, I don't really want to take your number or nothing because that'll cause problem in my relationship.
Alright, I have a better idea. What time is it now? If by now and tomorrow you don't think about me, next time you see me, don't give me a number.
So,
Deal?
I can answer your question?
Sure.
The work where I do, like, you make money?
I tell you what, next time I see you, we give you that information. Next time we see each other, then you tell me if you think about me. And then you can give me the number, or maybe not giving me the number. One more time, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Amar, 321-85.
Brittany, think about me quick, man. Give me a number fast and quick.
Well,
Big up yourself here.
Alright.
I will call you.
alright, no problem. Yeah. Rachel?
Yeah, which one you come from, Brittany?
Me I come from the nail salon. I'm
Which
still
nail salon you know the nails them for how you come
because
from?
the lady full.
Okay, so all of a sudden you go road. Me no know about you again. Normally tell her. Eh? Me no have a phone. No me normally call.
My phone and pick up no service.
Oh, your phone and pick up no service. All of a sudden your phone now pick up service. Want to WhatsApp, you have a plan.
Listen, me.
Because I buy you one 7-day plan.
Calm down.
Oh yeah, tell me to calm down. You left me my niece alone in my house. Like you know, no respect for me. Girl, get up from 5 bed and spread up in bed, man. You know, long as you know you're trying to watch on me and get time to spread up in bed. From the first time you come and tell her that you want something, they make me have to tell you again. Baby. sudden you come with attitude, don't?
Me say something to you. Me say
Every time when you go downtown, you da call me and make me know say you go downtown and leave a message on WhatsApp. But all of a sudden you left me niece. If you don't want to take care of my niece, you tell me send her up.
Listen,
or me send her a
let me say
daycare.
something to you. You see, me walk out the argument. You come in here, someone in an argument with me. Listen, don't start with me here.
What do you mean?
Can you know some my mouth don't good? You know some my mouth not good already. Don't start
One
with
your
me.
mouth making no good.
Don't worry yourself about that.
Okay, you have to be your attitude, but watch out. You see, anywhere you go, I have to know that. Okay, see you, normally when you go places, you let me know. And now you're hiding.
But make sure I tell which part me right?
You don't
tell her which part me
when you come back, you tell me.
But that's how I'm going to tell you, you still not believe
that's when
me.
you come back. You come in and find something quick and tell me.
Me tell her niece.
And, normally.
So me go so. Right?
Me
tell her niece that I want me to try to call you, the signal never there pick up. No service never there on my phone. So you need to understand that I know if you deal with woman. You want woman and don't know if you deal with woman. I mean I go sit down and put up with no foolishness with no man. Me tell her that.
Go on man, me not say 40 here.
Say 50
Me not say 40, alright, hear me?
Yeah.
Because you have no respect for me. From
I do not have none.
That. So you're good. Rachel, where you do at the door? Where Rachel there?
Yeah.
Where you do at? Come in here, sir. Who gave you name?
Auntie Brittany.
So why you beg Guinea? Your father not teach you for no beg? Brittany did tell us that she go up on the road. So how you bed not spread up? Yeah, eat Guinea, but you not spread up the bed and let you do something. Listen me, so I tell you to do something. Hello, when I tell you to do something, you do it and make me have to come back and tell you about it twice. And one time if you tell you and not two. So put on your Guinea and spread up the bed. That me I try to tell you. Yeah, I'm not going to go about my business. Hello, come back in yourself.
There's not too much problem, I have a problem. Yo.
I'll spread up the bed. Can't bother the girl anyway. Two man are love her and you think, yo, and just love it one argument for you. Yo. I'm a two man for you. I'm angry with the best of me.
Yo, look, so. What's going on?
There you are. I don't say argument me about it, you know.
You're looking like that.
Bomba me woman, man. I come back and say my niece left alone in the house.
Bro.
When you get money, that's a match out, so.
Bro, see how my language changed, bro. I just have a date with a black American.
What's this, man?
I just have a date with a black American.
So when you find one by my left up, so
she told me she don't really like Jamaican patois because she can't speak it, so the flow just dropping me, bro. Remember it's Dreams Weekend? You just lock up in the house with your crazy woman, bro. Ain't doing it. You watch your woman too much, bro. You watching her too much. You see those high grade? That's what I go on the beach with. The girls smell it in my pocket, bro. That's how I get her.
I don't talk about that. You go up on one topic coming and want to hear about it.
What?
Yo, what kind of man do you have?
You see your life stress, bro? You're in so much stress, bro. Look at you. Fat like a pig. Look at you. Sitting in the house trying to get comfortable around that crazy woman. Huh? Blowing up like a big balloon on the balloon chart. You're like the biggest balloon on the balloon chart.
Are you not the right with your money, because I get my money and I spend it on food, you know? But you spend it and buy too much front of road.
What? You have to buy front with your money, bro, so you can stay at the front of the line. Don't
but
you?
I say a word. Remember, say your money so done, and say the money done, nobody come over me yard for no food.
What? Done you're talking about? Look at all this, bro. Look at all this. You talking about done? This girl that I just meet, bro, she gonna give me so much kids.
Yo, don't stop chatting now, because you chat about something now, and you're bored. It's like an angry man.
Oh, so you know, understand our language, yeah? Let me talk to you now. That the little rotum pum there, where you they watch every day in your house. But me talk to you, I come like you not seen them. You not see how I talk to you.
Actually, you not know man front
Brother,
to watch.
you alone
You
a
want
tick.
to watch for your man
You
front.
not no sense. You just in the little in the house making you have a big gutter spiller. What kind of style them there for you up on the street, brother? Dreams weekend, you lock up in the house like you're a mouse, daddy. You're a mouse.
Yo, you know, see your top come over me yard.
But you know no style, you and it make no sense to come and tell about my life, the moment I live, brother. Watch it.
Me no want hear.
Watch it, I be a fly up on your shirt and
Me no
see
want
your clothes
hear,
don't want
man.
to wash,
Want hear,
brother.
man.
Watch it, you fly up on your shirt, your clothes want to wash, brother. Okay, your clothes dirty. You want to young the house and the woman. You said dirty woman, brother. You even could have told your clothes want to wash.
So on 100 full of
Bro, on the beach, bro, look at this white tees.
Yeah, chat too much.
Who chat too much? I'm boxing your face. This I disrespect me out. So me not telling no bad mind boy about my life, them, you know. Here, you me go down your yard too and make sure mom's cook.
Put on out for yard. Put on out for yard. Where you talk about? So I am a woman that go up on the road a while ago. That's why you dress up so. I am a woman that go up on the road.
Hello. Your woman not half ready. Look
Yo,
like
spin
American.
and roll and turn back, man.
Spin which roll?
Spin and roll and turn back.
Spin which roll? Let me spin it.
Spin and roll and turn back.
Let me spin it.
I want to take me afraid of that.
Let me spin
Take
it.
me afraid of that.
Touch me.
Afraid of that.
Touch me.
Why you? That's very big. Come on, man.
No. You think me not laughing thing? You think me not laughing thing?
Yo, you know, say I still run jokers, friend, man. Come on, man.
No, brother, you're not. What's your man?
Go drink for my Jimmy.
Clothes ain't dirty, your hand must dirty to my. Alright.
Come on, man. I want to see you, man. Come on, brother.
Just saying that you would.
I want to see you, man. Come on, man.
Everything all good.
Everything all good, brother.
Better see some man.
I'm ready to bed. I'm talk to you, Rachel. Now you feel now you here. Let's talk to you feel better. You understand? Because your father don't call me already and tell me say nah listen. And he send it down you because I know you listen to me. So I just want you do the right thing. You understand? Only bedtime, that I all the time you go up on the bed. You get what I say? So sorry for if you rush you upstairs, but I just rush you up feel better. Yeah. Good.
Yeah, I'm good.
I'm going to go talk to me.
Something to tell you.
Yeah, come in, man.
Uncle, you can get something to eat, please?
So you need to get something to eat already.
Why that not full my belly?
Here, go buy something and shop and come back.
You told me that.
A 500 I spend out of that.
I can't just get it all right.
500.
Why?
Come back home.
Alright, sorry.
I'm there now, babe.
That'd be hard to come and ask me what happened to me.
No,
Not true.
that's not me, I say, man.
Don't
You
even
just
worry.
forget
This
ignorance of foolishness. Because you know so when you go up on the road, you have to call me.
number one, I noticed you never media get in that. What do I call the word? Ignorant. Are you did that?
Yes, that's calm now, man. Watch out, watch out. That's all listen.
You can't use money and bribe
That's
me.
calm now, man.
You
That's
cannot
calm.
use money and bribe me.
That's calm, baby. I'm telling you, man. I don't know what to do.
You did a drink.
Yeah, man.
Stop now. Stop. Stop.
I'm there.
You did a drink. And then come and friend me. Listen, me not in that. Me no drunk man. I do not stop. Stop. Just bill. We not sober you can talk, but if you know, you don't need to talk to me. You can stay on your side of the bed, me go up on my side. Simple.
You know what, so I can't bother with this though, you.
Your business.
What do you mean on my business?
Your business, enough for me and feel.
So all of a sudden you get your attitude in a relationship now. All of a sudden you be attitude you get.
You best
Go on
allow me
road
and go
and
on,
tell me.
yeah?
Eh?
You best allow me and go on.
What do you mean lawyer and go on? You mean
Because I'm in an argument.
left your and go on or come out of your room?
Just come out of my presence, please.
So you want me to go in a pass? Eh? You tell me to come out to your presence and I ask if you want me to go in a pass.
Then if I in there, if you go in there, then simple.
Yeah, go all the fresh, man.
Can't take this here, man. So I can't dash a problem upon people.
Yes, boss. No, boss. Okay. Well, I tell you what, I never get to done that, you know. But I already take the picture inside, both of the room, all bathroom and everything. Right now, I'm just gonna take some picture on the outside. I can do that the next time. Yeah, I already put up the sign. Yeah, I already put up the sign. Reduce price. Yeah, man, because people on the net was enough people was texting, calling about the price. So I put up a sign. Yes, reduce price. Yeah. Yeah, man, the sign is up, man. Okay. So the only thing, you need a picture of the sign? Alright, hold on. Don't hang on. Alright, so I'm gonna send it in a minute, sir. The only thing I have to do right now is just take some picture on the outside. No, I will take care of the editing. I will just send it to my secretary. Yeah, he'll take care of the editing, and maybe by tomorrow, latest, yeah, can go up on social media, any platform. Yeah. Alright, yes, sir. Sir, one question, please. Yeah, I'm just wondering, maybe I'm just asking maybe when I'm getting a raise. Yes, sir. Thank you. Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Yes.
On your roll and go take a walk, you know, Uncle.
Uncle, me can come?
Come on.
Auntie, why you not come?
Come on, Rachel.
No, this is a problem. Tell him.
Yeah, hello?
Hello.
Hey, Brittany, what's up?
I'm here. How are you?
I'm fine, you?
I'm okay. Just here checking on you if you're okay.
Well, I'm fine, and I'm much better now that you call me. And I was just thinking about you.
Wow. So where you at?
Well, I'm at work as usual. I'm at our phase 3. Just finishing up. I'm just finish up a project right now, trying to edit a house. Can put it on social media that people can maybe buy it quick as possible. I can make some percentage.
Okay, that's so.
So what are you doing right now?
Nothing much, just there lie down.
Lying down.
Yeah.
Well, I'll tell you what. I don't know if maybe I could take you out sometime.
You could come over if you want because my boyfriend is not here at the moment and his niece is not here.
Tell you the honest truth. I don't really like to come over, you know, knowing that you have a boyfriend and all that. But I tell you what, I'm an honest person. I just can stop by and say hi for a minute or a few.
Alright, no problem.
Cool?
Alright, cool.
Alright, bye.
Alright, later. Messing in location.
Father, blessed my daddy here. Heart of love. Yeah, man, I go down in the lane go check our virgin. I respect my brother. You know, say, me I want to say if I want to write movies. If I go check a lady and know say me with the man. You know, so I feel like I want to wrong movies. Anyway, I don't reach already. Matter of fact, I'm my brown in a roll, my baby. Hold on there. Sure me right, this a house, I mean know a house here. A house here supposed to maybe around 25-30-year-old. A house here when me buck me wicked baby mother when him chose and you look cocky eye. When he give me my first youth. And he keep me away from my son, he hide me from my son up till today day I have no contact with my youth. That girl is a wicked girl. Next thing me about that girl right now is a she over bridge. But anyhow, hope one day I can get contact with you. I know say me know a house. I know say me know a house.
Hello?
Yeah, hello. Brittany, what's up?
I'm here.
Don't tell me that you fall asleep. Your voice look low.
No, I'm not fall asleep.
Okay, I was just telling you that you're outside.
Alright, come outside, come meet you.
Yeah, do that, please and thanks.
Alright.
One more thing. Please don't leave at somewhere like I see you the other day, right?
Alright, I will.
Okay. Nice place.
Thank you. You can come inside because the neighbor them there really nosy and they used to see me and my boyfriend alone and they used to know other man they here, so you get what I say. So might as well then go see you and carry news because they love sus. So basically come inside.
Tell you what, I don't think for the first to get inside it's a wise idea, but listen, I'm a businessman. So we are just, maybe if someone bring back a news to your boyfriend, you can do the maths. You're good at maths, right?
Yes, I'm good at maths.
So you can do the maths.
Alright.
So, that's it.
Alright, so right here.
What's up?
Come here, so how was the day?
Well, first thing first, it was a disaster till you called me.
Oh, that not so
But
bad.
I got two good news.
What else?
I got, you want to hear them?
Yes.
Well, the first wonderful news that I have when you call me, I guess I make my day.
Okay.
And then my boss was talking on the phone about some business deal. And then he tell me that he's going to give me a raise. I was making 15 mil a year.
Wow.
And then I'm going to make 25. But you know what make it very better? When I sell maybe a house, I make percentage. And sometimes if I get a house to sell for 10 million, sometimes I can tell the person I'm going to sell the house for that the people them balling on the high price, so I can maybe they can take off a 2 mil. And when I sell it back now, I sell it for the same 10, but I just make them feel like I take off something.
Oh,
And then I sell it back for a 12 mil. So I'm making 2 and 2. So tell you what, enough about me. What about you? How was your day?
My day wasn't great because my boyfriend is not really you know what I mean, right? So me and my boyfriend keep cussing and all of those stuff.
Well-
I'm stressed. I'm going on the road with my niece. Them ask me if I want to come and tell them no. Well, basically,
Oh, you have a niece.
I have a niece, so they're here now for a couple of weeks, I guess. Or a
So,
month.
how the relationship with you and your niece?
Well, it's okay. We have a great relationship. I don't have any
So
fault
why you
with
guys
her.
fighting? You guys don't love each other anymore?
I won't say that. Yes, we love one another the same way, but
Sure, because remember, you have love and you have love, you can love a person. And maybe you can love a person but not in love with that person. So I'm just saying, maybe that's one of the problems you guys fighting.
well, he's saying that I'm the problem, but I don't see what I did wrong, right? Basically, on the same day that you saw me when I said I was gonna get my nails done,
Yeah, just the other day.
that same day, everything started there because he's saying that I didn't call him and tell him that I was going to do my nails, which I told his niece, but it seems like he needs them a message, so everything far back for me.
Well, I'm not here to split justice and take up for you or your boyfriend. But like how we're talking about the situation, I guess it's your fault.
The reason why I didn't call him because I didn't have any signal. The service wasn't
And you
up by
explained
then.
that to him?
I explained all of that to him and he he was cursing.
Alright, I'll tell you what. This is day one and we talk about your relationship with your boyfriend. So we don't, this is tomorrow. I'll call you and then you can talk about me and you, okay?
Alright, no problem.
Alright, one
So,
more time.
have a nice day.
Same to you, right?
Alright.
Good evening, Auntie. Good evening. On the Monday, I will come and send in dark glass.
Oh, I'm a businessman. So,
Businessman?
yeah.
Alright.
Look at me, Tom.
Oh God.
Alright.
Yes.
You tell them.
I'm telling you. I just buy food on the road here, I'm telling you.
When you just come, you see Auntie and one man. Now one
Which man?
glass.
Which man?
One man, now one dark.
On my veranda?
Yeah, when we come in,
You come like you're massive.
Yeah, so you made it to the end of the movie. Just there to make you know, say, like, share, and subscribe. That link,
You
I
know
will
the
tell you the
badness.
rest.
Boom,
What you
son.
need to do.
I mean, I say big up to my fans them again. Big up on yourself. Fully. And if you not try to get to me on the media and you don't know, the bird kind of mash up, you know, you see the phone kind of mash up, so you know, say new phone soon come in, you see
Yeah,
me?
man, you can contact the dog number same way.
Boom, so yeah, you
No
can
help
call
him
me
out with the
straight.
phone. You're right.
You can call me straight, you know, but
Yeah.
very, you know.
Bless up everybody. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Comment the best part down in the comment section. And big up the rest of the channel them. Coloring Book TV, PFS Film, DS himself. You know?